know the knowledge of VLSI industries and what are the courses that we are providing to enter into your VLSI companies, like product based companies or service based companies, whatever the. For every course, as a fresher, you are going to start your career means each and every basic questions they are going to ask, not only related to the subject. From basics onwards they are going to start, like CMOS, digital, DFT, synthesis, Verilog, and one more thing, ASIC flow also. Sometimes it depends. So here more than 12 plus experienced person of trainer is going to be helped. Lab technician is nothing but senior trainer and junior trainer. Then later on, we will conduct the mock interviews with your trainer or with your junior trainer. Basic knowledge, how the real time interview is going to be happen. Those things we are going to help you. Here, 100% placement assistance that I have mentioned already, like how the 100% placement we are going to provide. Semiconductor industries into three types, like product based companies, service based companies, and EDA companies. So now we will discuss what are the service-based companies, what are the EDA companies that you all know, Cadence, Synopsys, Mentor Graphics, Tempest, Prime, and these things. Courses, service-based companies that we are tie up with our institute, like L&T, Synops is there, and also Excel VLSI is there, Excel Max is there, Prime VLSI is there. Lot of companies is there. We tie up with our institute. So how the placement process is going to be happen? So just now only I mentioned that physical design flow. So so to start your PD, you require some of the inputs. So these are the major inputs that we require to start your PD, like gate level net list. That means here dot v file. So here the left side diagram, it is the tool related diagram. If you want to know in normal theoretical practical way or paint wise, you can know this here. But in tool wise, these dotted lines you can take it as die size. This thick line you can take it as your core size. Inside your core only you are going to place your pins and your resistors and power rings, because to get the power you require power rails. All this information you require. So from now onwards, you are going to see the clock information, like clock bit, how the clock is splitting to all the registers to your entire block, how much timing it has been taken, any noise it has been providing while the clock is distribution, how much utilization it has been jumped from placement to CTS. Those information you are going to see. Up to these things you are going to know only the logical. That means your imaginary view only. So once the routing is done, that means here the wiring connection, that means here we are going to the physical connections, like we are going to do the wiring. So you get to know, like this register is communicating with this register with this wire, how much how much distance it has been taken, micron distance. Analog layout, you all know about in analog layout, you know about how to do your schematic view diagram, like you have to use the NMOS and PMOS things. You have to place either which side it is VDD, which side it is VSS, or which side it is capacitance. You have to place all this information. You have to work on it, like which schematic diagram you have to use, how to fix this placement, how like how the cells are going to be communicated with these registers. Those information you have to work on your analog layout design flow.